This question comes under the topic permutation and combination. The question is, in how many different ways the letters of the word leading be arranged in such a way that all the vowels come together? So if I am writing the word leading, there are 7 different letters. In question they have asked all the vowels should come together. So I am writing all the vowels and I am considering it as a one letter. The remaining letters will be L, D, N, G. So total 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 different letters are there. These 5 letters can be arranged in 5 factorial ways, that is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is equal to 120 ways. These are the possible ways that these letters can be arranged among themselves. And now I am considering this vowel alone, E, A, I. These letters among themselves, it can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. That is, there are 3 different letters. So these 3 letters I can arrange as EAI or AEI or AIE or IEA, IAE, EIA. These are the 6 different ways in which vowels can be arranged among themselves. So 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1, which is equal to 6. So in 6 ways vowels can be arranged among themselves. So in total it can be 5 factorial into 3 factorial, 120 into 6, which is equal to 720 ways these can be arranged.